Lagi, no? 2 minutes lang. Saka na yung breathing, no? So, we check the BP. Again, documented. Wapo. Ilagini ka ng here. Kini ito was about education lagi, no? Malagi na, no? In which the doctor, they do educate, no? Why is that? Because, wala na sa pangwarta, no? Wala sa Porsche, wala sa like Ferrari. Malagi ni, para to sa mamahirap na katulad ko, no? Hopefully, we are out in the SM Manayala on November 16. Oh, yung breathing, oh. Yan lang, alam niya, may tension, but hindi niya alam paano gagawin, no? In which walang upuan daw, eh. Here again, the lantern niya. So, early Christmas, ano? Oh. Ayan. Because of the pressure, no? So, again, every time is the time, no? In which, 5 minutes, na kay water station, no? Na kay tubig imnon, in which lagi nga, ma-dehydrated man ka, no? And then we base nila the stress test nga, hindi siya go, about by 3 months, makuha ni mo ang 1 hour, no? Without stopping, continuous, without break, with tension and break. Uy, we'll see laboratory test, pasado sa lab test, no? Again, go, 154, 9778. Again, 154, 9778, within 2 minutes, no? Ilang primero? Here, 143, 91, go. Again, for just 2 minutes lang. Palakarin kita, iti kita BP, hindi siya tataas. Tama ka. Again, thank you.